Now that we have made our first Kafka producer and Kafka consumer, and we have seen Kafka consumer and Kafka consumer group in action, now this is a good time to discuss KIP 848. This is one of the most important operational improvements in Kafka 4.0. Understanding it is key to building stable, modern streaming applications. So let's dive into a more advanced but incredibly important topic, consumer group rebalancing. We know that when a consumer joins or leaves a group, Kafka redistributes the topic partitions among the members. This rebalancing process is essential for scalability and fault tolerance. However, historically it has been one of the biggest sources of pain and application downtime. In this lecture, we will explore the old, disruptive way rebalancing worked and then dive into the revolutionary new consumer group protocol, which is KIP 848 in Kafka 4.0, which completely changes the game. To understand why the new protocol is so great, we first need to understand the old one. Imagine your consumer group is a team of workers on an assembly line, and the partitions are the different sections of the line they are working on. Now imagine a new worker shows up to help. With the old protocol, the team foreman, who is actually one of the workers called the group leader, shouts, "Everyone stop working, pencils down. Give me back all your assembly line sections." This is a stop the world rebalance. So here's what happened. All consumers in the group were forced to revoke all their assigned partitions. They immediately stopped processing messages. Your entire application became idle. The single group leader consumer then received a list of all available consumers and all available partitions. It would calculate a brand new assignment plan from scratch. And finally, it would distribute the new plan and the workers could pick up their new assignments and start working again. The problem with this approach were huge. For the entire duration of the rebalance, which could be seconds or even minutes, no messages were being processed. This is a massive issue for real-time applications. Even if one partition needed to be moved to the new consumer, all partitions for all consumers were revoked and reassigned. If one consumer was unstable and kept leaving and rejoining, it could trap the entire group in a constant state of rebalancing, bringing processing to a complete halt. Kafka 4.0 introduces a completely new protocol that fixes all of these issues. There are two revolutionary changes. Change number one is broker-managed assignments. The responsibility for calculating the assignment plan has moved from a random consumer client to a centralized group coordinator on the Kafka broker itself. Think of this as firing the worker foreman and hiring a professional dedicated project manager. This manager is more reliable, has a global view of the cluster, and is much more efficient at making decisions. Change number two is incremental or cooperative rebalancing. With the new project manager in charge, the process for onboarding a new worker is completely different. The project manager doesn't shout stop. Instead, they work surgically. So according to the new incremental process, first the new consumer joins the group, then the broker coordinator, the project manager decides which existing consumers should give up some of their work. The coordinator asks those specific consumers to revoke only a small subset of their partitions. Crucially, all other consumers are completely unaffected and continue processing their partitions without interruption. The newly freed up partitions are then assigned to the new consumer. The rebalance is now a small incremental change rather than a disruptive stop-the-world event. So what does this mean for you as a developer? When you do a rolling restart of your application, consumers will gracefully hand off their partitions one by one. Your overall stream processing will continue without a noticeable pause. If you need to scale up your consumer group to handle more load, the new consumers will be integrated into the group much more quickly and with minimal disruption to the existing consumers. and the entire system is more stable and resilient to individual consumer failures. In summary, the new consumer group protocol is a monumental shift for Kafka. We have moved from a disruptive, client-orchestrated, stop-the-world rebalance to a smooth, broker-orchestrated, incremental rebalance. For any serious streaming application built on Kafka 4.0, adopting this new protocol is essential for achieving true high availability and operational stability.